Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code extension in VS Code. So I'll show you step by step. At first, you have to actually install Node.js in your PC. So just go for the CMD and check that if you have Node.js or not. So open it and say here node version. Hit enter. Here you can see we got here version available. So it means I have installed Node.js in my PC. Now, just come to the Visual Studio Code. Here I can see currently I'm in Visual Studio Code. And then what you have to do, you have to go for the extension. Here you can see extensions. So here you just have to search Claude, Claude, okay? Claude Code. And here you can see 1.8 million. So just click here to install it. And just click here install. Here you can see installing. Here you can see you have successfully installed Claude Code for VS Code. Now what you have to do, you have to actually go for the terminal. Here you can see we have terminal here. Now click here new terminal and just remove this. So just go for the browser and search here Claude Code. And here you'll find this option and now click here set up Claude Code. And here you can see we are in this space. Basically it will automatically select this option advanced installation. Now scroll a little bit down. Here you can see we have two options here, native install and npm. So click here npm because we have Node.js in our PC. So we are going to actually use this command. Now just copy this and go to the CMD, or you have actually open terminal in the VS Code, right? So just paste it here and hit enter. Claude. Hit enter. So here you can see it's showing that we have to actually install git bash, okay? So to install git bash, you have to actually go to the browser and you just have to actually download git. So just type git bash and here you can see git. So just go with the git and then select the operating system. So in this case Windows, so we select Windows, and after that we have to select here git for Windows x64 setup. So just click here and it will actually start downloading. I already download this and I have installed it. So now we can actually write here Claude, Claude, okay? And if we hit enter, now it will work. Here you can see. Now we'll actually say here that yes, I trust the folder, okay? And then it will actually work, okay? Now if you want to log in, you just have to type here login and then it will actually took you to the login page. And I already log in through my account, and that is the reason actually it's showing me credit balance too low. Why? Because I haven't actually buy it. So you have to actually spend at least $5 to use it. So yeah, in this case I cannot actually show you the process because I haven't actually buy it. So that's it guys. I hope you understand. This is how actually you can install the extension, and that is Claude Code, and you can actually use it in the VS Code, okay? That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.